Every day, someone will make a morning meeting and present it to the class. Morning meetings will help us start the day. Morning meetings usually start with a greeting, then have a share, and then activity.
The most exotic animal I've ever seen is probably a sheep that's half black, half white on the front.
Cool.
During math class, Mr. Jones will use a camera to show what he's doing on his paper. Then he'll write down word problems and problems for us to try and solve. We can also write down notes so later on during homework we know what to do.
Units. So this is 3 of units. And right here I'm just saying units. Sometimes we make conventions to define a centimeter where the unit might look something like this, and it's going to look different depending on your screen.
During library, we will listen to a book. After that book is over, then Miss Linnell will come to pick 2 students to grab books. During that time, we will also be working on something that's about the book.
Wasn't this the parade, this very minute, and him in it? He took the flag anyway. We'll have to.
During reading, we would listen to a book by an author, and then Mr. Jones would tell us to go do a seesaw about that author. But now we're not working on author studies. We're working on one book called My Brother Sam is Dead.
I will add to this assignment as we continue through the book, so make sure you check in often. Have so much fun with this book, because this book is going to be awesome. It is about the American Revolution that we are studying in social studies.
During music, we talk about different conductors and then listen to them. We also like to play rhythm games, like Poison rhythm games. Today, we were able to have our music party, which is when we get Music Master 5 times in a row. Though Miss Hess was not here twice for music class, we had it a little bit later.
Hard for this one, but I like being an Egyptian. Ready, go.
During lunch, we will stay seated until they call our name. When they call our name, we go up to grab our lunch. We have recess once a day, usually for 15 to 20 minutes. Outside, we have a blacktop that has Foursquare and hopscotch. We have a swing set, a small and a big playground. We also have a Gagapit. During art class, we start off with a sketch or a little activity. Then we start with our project we're working on in that class.
Loops can come in different shapes and sizes. This one's fairly large, but they are larger than this. Could maybe weave a string on here that each of us in the lower school could maybe weave a string on here, and